Ireland used to be one of the poorest countries in Europe. Now it's one of the richest. For a long time, Ireland struggled with poverty, unemployment, and mass migration. People were leaving the country not because they wanted to, but because they had to. So what changed? First, Ireland invested heavily in education, especially technology and science. Second, they created business-friendly systems that attracted global companies, not factories, but high-value jobs. Third, they focused on exports, not just surviving locally. They positioned themselves as a gateway to Europe. Fourth, they stayed consistent. No panic, no short-term thinking. Ireland proves this. Wealth doesn't come from resources. It comes from positioning and policy. Money moves where systems make sense. Follow Alpha and Facts for more stories about money, history, and systems.